What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at NEAR here, and as we can see, it is coiling up really nicely for that next move, isn't it? You can see here quite clearly, obviously, if we pull our fib retracement tool on here as well, which does appear to have disappeared, you can see here from the previous high to the previous low, that obviously we had a little bit of a range in motion. We come down, Fibonacci support, we get the overextension to the downside, that bullish divergence, we get the pickup, we come all the way back up, coil, have the pump to the upside, and then we form another coiling pennant motion like this, another move to the upside, and now it looks as though we are making another coiling motion like this, where we come down back down, we find support on that previous swing high along with our 20 EMA there, looking very bullish indeed, coiling up into a nice little pennant like this potentially for that next move to the upside. And obviously if that was the case, we'd be looking at having a little bit of a pump like this, basically taking us well up above that 141 extension there on the Fibonacci, coming up to around that $16 level if that was the case. So NEAR looking really bullish right now in our opinion, currently trading at around $10.77 there. You can see here obviously we came up, perfectly bounced off of this Fibonacci extension at the 127. We rolled over, found support, chopped it sideways for a good while, coiled up at that previous all-time high level that we could see here around $7.75. And then once we got that breakout, we got the pick up to the upside, we come up, make a new all-time high there. And it does look as though we are potentially seeing a few bullish divergences around the place here. You can see obviously this looks as though it could be a bullish divergence. So we may be seeing a bit more of a correction for NEAR before we do see ourselves moving to the upside. But from what we can tell, NEAR is obviously looking very, very nice here. A really top quality project, pretty damn undervalued in comparison to a lot of smart contract platforms right now. We've obviously seen Elrond, Phantom, and a lot of other projects pumping a lot, with NEAR not really pumping as much, so you'd probably expect a bit more of a move for it quite soon. But overall, this chart looks really, really good, doesn't it? If we just click this onto auto, you can see here, we've got that macro high, 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 low, high, high. We could come down here again, make that higher low again, somewhere around here, retesting fully this area before getting that bounce to the upside, looking for some of those targets. And you'd see your Elliott waves then, wouldn't you? That's that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that fifth wave for the final leg of the bull run. Heading up into some of these really nice overextensions. I mean, the 227 at around $60 would be lovely, wouldn't it? So this is a really top quality project. We're not entirely sure about the full potential of this because Solana has just absolutely smashed through all of its Fibonacci extensions because it got a lot of adoption. And you know, if NEAR did start to get something like this, it could be well over those Fibonacci extensions in our opinion, especially considering how low the market cap is. I think it's 1, 2, 3, maybe like 4 or 5 billion. So there's a lot of potential there for maybe even a 10x. Going into the end of the bull run, depending on how much the whole space pumps, etc., which would obviously be about $100 per token, which would be absolutely crazy, wouldn't it? So we can see here, we'll do some short-term price predictions then. If NEAR rolls over, we'd say we're probably coming back down reasonably towards this area here, around $7.70-ish, maybe for one last little retest of this area, coming back into fair value on the RSI before that move to the upside. But if this coiling motion here plays out, looking something like this, coiling up and then moving to the upside, we could be looking at coming up towards that 141 extension of $15, upwards of that 161 at around $20 as those our next targets basically. And then obviously we do have that massive 227 extension at around $55 to $60, which we definitely think is possible considering the potential of NEAR. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.